why are you shielding the minister? तुझे ऑफिसरांक नेम केले. Why? What stops you from naming the minister? त्यांका तुझे नेम केला तशेंच तू मिनिस्टराक नेम कर. Or is there some story behind this? People want to know. I mean, you can't just shield one person, and that day in that interview with this thing, Lokik, she clearly said that in this platform I am not in a position to name the minister. Why? You have already named the two officers. I don't understand that. Okay. Third is, have you ever argued in court when you were actually arguing your bail, saying that there are more people involved in this, there are people, officers, ministers involved in this scam? Have you've accepted that you are guilty, but have you argued also that there are other people involved in this? And if you have argued, then why it is not come out? So idun bidar ata kadda, and then we are, I mean, it is seen as something like gospel truth. I don't think, itle teka yaha there are a lot of loopholes into this disclosure of Pooja, and if you really want to get into it, then there could be a political linkage. I mean, there could be a political timing of it could sound political, but to just accept the fact that whatever she said is true, I think it is too far fetched.
हांव लोकांक एक गजाल मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदतां की पुजा नायकान आमच्या इंटरव्यूआ भितर दोन्ही ऑफिसरांची नांवां घेतल्यात, आमी दाखयलें ना. इतल्याच कारणां खातीर, कारण देर आर लीगल इश्यूज. यू कॅनॉट जस्ट गो ऑन नेमिंग पीपल जस्ट बिकॉज accused in a particular case is saying it. Second thing, let it be investigated. दुसरी गजाल, एनीवे जर ती नांवां पुलिसे मुखार घेतल्यात आनी जशें आतां लौकिकान सांगलें की पुलिसेन जर फायल मूव केल्या, बिकॉज सिनियर ऑफिसर, सो सरकाराची परमिशन लागता टू फायल अ FIR. सो पुलिसेन जर सरकाराची परमिशन मागला जाल्यार ती नांवां भायर येतलींच एकदां FIR रजिस्टर जातकीर. So we have not named the officers. Pooja has named the officers, and what Joel is saying is correct. She has not named the minister. So लोकांचो असो संभ्रम जावपा जायना की ताणें मिनिस्टराचें नांव घेतलां आनी आमी मिनिस्टराचें नांव दाखयलें ना म्हणून. ताणें मिनिस्टराचें नांव घेतलें ना. आनी हे लौकिकाच्या लेटेस्ट इंटरव्यूआ भितर ताणें सांगलां की आय एम नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू नेम द मिनिस्टर एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम.